We'll come back and talk about it when I really, but yeah. This is what you did all of that for. Vibe check-in, guys. Good morning, peeps. I am headed to work on this wonderful Monday. Wow, what a time to be alive. I got new hair, baby. We'll come back and talk about it when I really, but yeah. I'm not gonna lie. I could have put a little concealer on my part. Just a little something. A little something. But yeah, y'all, headed to work. It's Monday. I'm vlogging in public. People looking at me. But yeah, have a great day.
Yeah.
Good morning, good peeps. Hey, y'all. Last time y'all see me was like 2 days ago. I was headed to work. Now I'm headed to work 2 days later. Today is my goal of trying to look for a couch, for real. I really stopped playing. We are officially in November. Thanksgiving is there, and Thanksgiving is by me. It's a lot of pressure for somebody who just moved in 2 months ago. But with God, I'm gonna be all right. Even if it's not all together, at least I have a couch. Nobody's on the floor and a kitchen table. I gotta find that too. All right, y'all. Later. Hey guys, so I just came in from work and I'm making dinner. My rice is done. Oh, I just stirred it up. I don't want to make too much, but I turned over one chicken. I'm thinking I should have put it in the air fryer low key. Like, it looks good and I'm gonna make sure it get crispy. Well, this ain't done. That's number one, clearly. Look at the onions. Clearly this shit ain't done. I just put it in here, which I'm fake tight, because look at the time. Oh, that ain't even the time. But y'all see this before? All right, y'all, so remember we had it in the oven. I took that out. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. Look at the time. I'm never cooking this late. Not during the week. I'm sorry. We're not doing that. So, boom. I stopped it. 8:43. Y'all see I had to move it. You don't have to put it in the thing. I know y'all, some people probably don't. Y'all probably just put your food just in. I do that, but then I saw on TikTok it's not good to do because when you're cleaning it and stuff, and I'll be cleaning it using clean stuff to clean it. So, just was like, maybe I should start doing this. Boom. But I'm gonna try to put these peppers in there because I need to go see the time. We need to hurry this up. I'm ready to go to bed. Whatever. I don't even think I'm gonna eat at this point. I'm just gonna make my plate for lunch and go watch me flex this. You see. Okay, hold on. So you see what I did? Time now. See what I did? I left some just in case I accidentally dry it too much, but we'll see. Okay. It don't even gotta even be that much, bro. Hey, because it isn't cooked. It's not done. You saw how not cooked it was. Like, some people eat it like that, but nah, we got to cook it, baby. But yeah, we'll see. Come back. Let's see, guys. Didn't I say just in case? But wait, this is only one side. So we know what the bottom looks like, but at least we still got a nice little something. So this time we gonna make sure we watching. We was watching, but yeah. And now they look how they look good. Hold on, let me get a good look. Hold on, let me come back. So I decided, the little burnt things are like, you know, a little onion, little pepper probably. But I stabbed up the chicken because I like it juicy, but not greasy juicy, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna dry it out a little bit more. And yeah, we come back. Now this looking good. Let me see. Well, I think it's looking good. We know what the bottom is looking like. I did put my rice back on. Just to like dry it out a little bit. I thought it was like, wait, hold on, let's stop. So that's drying out. But it's vegetable rice. Let me make a quick little something. What time is it? 9:20. I would have still been baking Oh, thank God for my cousin. Oh, I love her. Oh my God, she hooked me up. I love you, Tom. She got me my little air fryer back there. Okay. Okay, I think that looks good. It's dried out, not too crazy, but alright. Yeah. I really don't want to have to toot my own horn, y'all. Alright, I know y'all thinking, Brittany, you dead ass? This is what you did all of that for? I'm gonna be honest, this is not what I did all of this for. It's just not. But it is late. And low key, I haven't eaten past 9 since I moved out here. Maybe like when the besties came. But by myself, no. So I gotta keep it cute. I want to continue. I am really hungry though. I haven't eaten since lunchtime, so I really feel like Brittany, I should eat. But it's like then it's not like I'm gonna be up much longer. Then I'm gonna go to sleep, and you know what I'm saying. So I don't want to get crazy. So we're gonna keep it cute. I took half of not even half the thigh, just the fatty. You know what I mean? Like the meat part of the thigh. Some of the rice. The rice is not white because I got a little crazy with the chili powder by accident. So I just drained it and then tried to. Oh, my heat is on. I just drained it and then tried to put some more. Anyway, my peppers, my onions, y'all see this shit. The carrots, the broccoli, inside the rice. Yeah. Put a little sauce on it. And nice and crispy. I like my stuff done, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't like it looking, tasting like it's, I need to know that we good. And that's why I don't mind the crisp and the crunch. I like that. That's why I love onions. So sorry if this doesn't look appealing to you, but I'm about to party because it tastes the rice is, oh my God, chili pepper did it. I mean, chili powder did it. But yes, y'all. Alright. See the time I gotta go. See me making it later. Alright, bye. Good night, actually. So this is lunch for tomorrow. My little chicken and my peppers and my onions and my. So when y'all say why is so much onions and stuff in it, because when I'm making my second plate, I need to make sure I have crunches and munches in there. I did wish I had a salad. I did have bag salad, but I finished it for lunch today, so no salad. But yep, looks good. And when I warm it up, it's gonna be good. Nice and juicy. This is what I call juicy. Dried, but still juicy. Okay? And if you don't believe me, let's look underneath. Oh, excuse my ashy hands. Yeah, baby. Nice and good, okay? Yeah, baby. Alright. Good night. Good morning, vlog. Today's the next day. Yesterday, I did go furniture shopping. It was so much going on that I could not pull out the camera. I'm gonna go check one place that I already checked, but I'm gonna just check it one more time. And then I'm gonna just choose Thanksgiving and family's coming over. So I gotta make sure I have a couch and a table. But I'm not too worried about the table. I can make that work. But couches, we gotta sit. So I'll keep you posted. We gonna go today after work. Vibe check-in, guys. I still don't have a couch, but y'all know that already.
The flower that I gotta protect and keep alive. The flower that I gotta protect and keep alive. Yeah.
So here's the thing. If I'd have knew that today, 2022, I'd have been learning and teaching myself how to work a damn typewriter, I'd have been learned. I grew up with one of these things in my house. I could have been learned. I wait till today to be frustrating myself, confused. I was about to turn on YouTube to learn, but I figured it out.